Hi, this is Lord Business from Rocky Mountain Sewing and Vacuum, and I am here to announce an unboxing challenge that I like to put forth for anybody that purchases a Bernette B79 Yaya Han edition. And I'm just really excited about this because this machine is really aimed at cosplayers. Cosplayers, as you know, and as you're watching this, are an integral part of our business, and we're always trying to find more cosplayers to become our customers. So I think this will help you guys engage with us, engage with the machine. It's a great machine. You'll see all the details on our website about it, and we have a great offer on it. But let me explain what this unboxing challenge is all about. If you decide you want to buy a machine from us and do an unboxing video, there's just a few parameters. It has to be at least 5 minutes long. It can be longer. You can even be in your cosplay character if you want while you're doing the video. We'd love to see that. I'm going to pick one person out of all the entrants that submit their video, and that one person will get a $500 Rocky Mountain gift card. You can use that for anything in the store. You could buy a cabinet with that. You could buy $500 worth of embroidered designs, whatever you want. The world is your oyster. And we will give you credit, your Instagram, Facebook, we will put it on our social media, and your video will live on our B79 Yaya Han webpage. So we really want to give you credit for taking the time and doing an excellent video. Everybody that enters, whether you are selected or not, will get a signed Yaya Han book while supplies last. We don't have an infinite supply of those, but you will get one of those mailed to you free of charge. You just need to send your video to rockymountainsewing@gmail.com. There will be a link somewhere down here that you can send that to. And please also include your mailing address and phone number in case we need to get a hold of you. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm really excited to see what we can do with this. There will also be a link that sends you to one of our unboxing videos that one of our salespeople has done, just as a inspiration if you need it. You don't have to follow it, but it might just be useful information for you. So please let us know if you have any questions, and I'm excited to see what we come up with. Thank you.